Right then guys, got the other injectors fitted. There's one there and one there, which you can't really see. So what we're going to do now is we are going to put the ignition on and just bleed them injectors. Pop that on. When you want to bleed them, you come over to it and you got this here. If you watch, you should see some fuel come out, just like that. And then once that's done, you just nip up these. You don't want to do them too tight, obviously tight enough so they don't leak, but obviously the clamps on these injectors aren't exactly the strongest, so once they're nipped up, and this one, once they're nipped up, just put your finger back on that just to see if you can see any fuel leaking out, which I can't, which is good. So what we'll do now is start it up and see if it runs any better, but I haven't got my hopes up. Oh. Just try and sort yourself out. It's not liking something. But it runs a bit better than what it was a bit earlier. Still got a slight misfire. Well, I say slight, it's quite a big one. So you're gonna have to do a bit more investigation on this, because well, what I'll probably end up doing first is changing the cam belt, making sure the timing's right, change all the hoses, the sensors I've got to change, and if need be take the rocker box off, see if we've maybe got like a sticking valve or something like that, because obviously where it's not been run for so long, that could be the problem. So I'm going to end the video off there guys, only a short one, just showing you how to change some injectors. Not a massive thing, but one thing I will say, if your injectors have been stuck in these engines for a while, good luck getting them out, because I had a right task. I know on a time lapse it showed me getting them out quite easy, but that's because I'd already had them out, just checking them to see which ones weren't firing. So yeah, anyway, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and stay tuned for the next one.
Yeah.